Little Sam Squatch. Sharp 90 degree, and it gets under those scales and flicks them off. You are watching Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. Good morning. That's what it is where you're at. Anyway, it's a brand new day. I decided I'm gonna go fishing again, and I'm just gonna stay real local. There's no sense in me driving anywhere because I can catch fish right here. So we'll just see what happens. Stick around. Looks favorable. Decided I'm just bringing the telescopic rod. That way we don't have to pack the other one too. So we'll see what happens. Got me a little striper. Not much, but it'll work. Well, that's a start. Good deal. I'll move camp over here so you can't pick a few more up out of here. Usually if there's one, there's more. We'll see. I'm going to switch back to white. Hey, buddy. Go. How's that? White for the win. Cool. Little fella. Little guy. Alright, so what I'm using is a rod and reel I was sent by Magreel or Gonex. I wasn't going to share with you until I really thought I better do a good review on it. I really like it. It feels great. This rod's a little bit longer. I think there's like 4 different lengths you can get, but I like it because it's telescopic. It goes right in my pack. It's got that little hood cover that covers the eyelets up when you're done and clips it back to the rod itself so it's not sliding out randomly. So yep, honest opinion, I really like it. So I'll leave a link below. Great for backpacking. There's smaller ones too. This is a big long, I think it's 8 foot, a little bit over 8 foot. Yeah, all right, I think I'm gonna work that sandbar over there and see what else we can get. Might cook these dudes up too. If you caught my how-to video on putting a line on your spinning reel, that's the freshwater reel they offer. This one that's on here is designed for saltwater, but hey, the reel doesn't know where I'm fishing. Alright, I'm going to try to cross here. Hopefully I don't get wet. So far so good, as long as I don't step off in a deep hole. My phone is in my pocket. The water's really warm right here. A little cooler out there. Little Sam Squatch. small ones, but nothing keepable. Might find some shade here soon and cook these dudes up. I'm starving. Couple more casts. Pretty simple to put away. Just keep this one out for a minute. Put your line up. You can hook that back. Your eyelet. Put my cover on and good to go. Got a handy little sleeve. Goes right on the end. Clips on. Comes around. And everything's secure. Pretty slick. Alright, I'm hungry. And it just fastens to the side of my pack. Pretty slick. I like it. The sun's got some power today. Tuck up behind the corner over here and do some cooking. This feels good. Well, I don't know. I'll get set up. Gotta clean these first. I'm just gonna scale them. I like keeping them on the stringer. They've been dispatched, but that way you can hang on to the head while you do the scaling. Make sure you don't poke yourself with the fins. I'll cut those off in a minute. I just use the back side of my Mora. It's got a nice sharp 90 degree, and it gets under those scales and flicks them off. Fairly easy. Another quick tip is scale them underwater and then they're not flying everywhere. Cleans as you do it. Alright, scaled. Got the dorsals, pectoral fins and stuff off. Get my stove and stuff ready and I'll cook them up. Just got my little rocket stove, Dragon Unlimited. That'll work. Just gonna do a flour batter and then mix seasoning with it, a liberal amount. That'll do. Get that mixed up. Nothing fancy. Well, I had to make a little ledge here to support my pot. I forgot my little grill I usually use, but we'll just wing it. stove gets really hot fast if you don't watch it. A little char doesn't hurt. Crispy. Pretty good. Coons will be down here tonight. That's for sure. River to the plate. Well, I'm gonna eat my fish. Hope you enjoyed that. I am. Yeah, it's good. Falling right off the bone. Goodness. It ain't walleye, but it ain't bad. This is a very uncomfortable spot. Oh. Dishes are done, man. Leave no trace, people. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this, and we'll see you next time.